Here's an interesting app called Concepts where you can sketch, note, and draw infinitely. So let's just install it. Let's just see how it works. Here's the app. And yes, this is like a drawing app. Concept is a flexible space to sync, plan, and create sketch plans and whiteboard on the infinite canvas. Write notes, doodles, and mind maps, draw storyboards, product sketches, and design plans, and then share with friends, clients, and other apps. Concept's vector nature means every stroke is editable: pencil, pens, watercolor. Everything is adjustable. So yeah, you can create a free account to sync your subscription preferences, palettes, brushes, and more with a free account. It's a great way to get started learning with our community. So you can just subscribe and get everything. So you can just try basics for free, actually. Then you can just, I guess, select some instruments. So there is soft pencil, there is wire. You can adjust all of these scenarios. So for example, soft pencil. And then you can just get all these bags with different designs ready. So anyhow, I just wanted to... All right, so seems there is some kind of bug. So then I can just start drawing like that, and then I can just select different instruments. So yeah, that's basically the process, as you can see. Then you can just select different shapes. You can just put, oops. So it's just cool app to play around. Then you can just set up different backgrounds here, standard paper type or custom background color. Grid type, you can just select all these advanced additional settings. So yeah, this is the process that you can try out. If you want to upgrade, so let's see, that's $4.99 per month, $29.99 per year is pretty cheap price. So, and there is 7-day free trial. Subscribe now to try everything in that free for 7 days. Get every library, every service, and every feature. And that's how you get started.